So she gets to go on a nice holiday and I don't?
Alia's trip is part of her studies. They'll be reading the Quran, learning about Islam and how to be a better Muslim.
At a Turkish beach resort?
Turkey is a Muslim country, isn't it?
You do know there'll be boys there.
Yes, I know there are boys in Turkey, thank you.
I mean, on Alia's trip, boys are going too.
Boys? How do you know anything about boys?
They always go together. It's co-educational.
Yes, but what about Tang Tang?
What?
You know, Tang Tang.
It's a Muslim religious study camp.
So what? You think Muslims don't do Tang Tang? Because let me tell you, Mrs. Khan, they certainly do. Islam is not the fastest growing religion in the world for nothing. Muslims all over the world are doing Tang Tang left, right and center.
Maybe some of them.
Alia is young and vulnerable. One of us needs to talk to her.
Okay.
One of us needs to go in there and explain everything about, you know, Tang Tang. We need to warn her of the dangers lurking out there in the real world. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Someone could take advantage of her. Her life could be ruined forever.
You're right. I think you should tell her.
She'll probably be fine.
Yeah, my dad said I can go. I know, I can't believe it. And there's an amazing club near the campsite. It's gonna be wicked. Oh, gotta go later.
Hello, sweetie. How's it going? Good? Good. What are you reading?
The history of Islam.
Oh, I want to read that. Don't tell me how it ends, eh? Sweetie, I need to talk to you about something very important.
Okay, Papaji.
Now, I know your head is filled only with God and studies right now. But one day you realize there are other things in the world, like boys.
Okay.
But what you have to remember is that boys are not like girls.
I don't know.
No. Boys are bad. They only have one thing on their minds.
What's that?
Cricket.
Cricket?
Yes.
I don't like cricket.
I know. And that's good. But one day, you might decide that you do like cricket.
I don't think so. It's dead boring.
You're right. It is. But one day, you might meet somebody, let's say a boy, and he's really into the cricket, and he might try and get you to watch. And you might think, well, there's no harm in watching. But then, he shows you his bat. And his pads. And his helmet. And the next thing you know, the covers are off. You're letting him play on your pitch. And you've been caught out by his googly. Do you see?
Sort of.
Good. You know, I thought that was going to be difficult. But it was actually very easy.